Hello everybody, this is Ryan Works, and in this video we're going to be talking about keyboards, Android keyboards in specific. Of course there are some other ways to get, iOS keyboards on Android, but I'm not going through that in this video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing a specific keyboard, but before we get into that, please subscribe, consider to subscribe to my channel. Turn on all the notifications by tapping the bell icon and selecting all notifications, and of course leave a like on my video to help me reach out to more people with this useful information. So the keyboard that I will be reviewing in this video, so let's get into it. The keyboard that I'm going to be reviewing here is Quazar Keyboard. Now this keyboard mainly doesn't come as an English keyboard, but it does have the option to use English to type, and it also gives English suggestions. So suggestions, and you can get that. It does have the English option there, but it's mainly a Russian, that kind of keyboard. Alright, so when I open up the keyboard, this is the home page, I would say. And as you can see, there's this blue button right here somewhere, and that button is like, when you tap on it, it takes you to the theme that you have downloaded or created for that. As you can see, I have created quite a lot of themes here, like themes, groovy based themes, fantasy patrol based themes, cars. There's quite a lot. There's even the running based theme out there, or two of them actually. And then these are the ones that are on the theme store. But yeah, it has style themes like more TV related themes, like there's Spider-Man, Ben 10, Sophia the First, Avengers, Kung Fu Panda, How to Train Your Dragon, and Batman. Also Wreck-It Ralph, another Spider-Man, Megamind, another How to Train Your Dragon, another Frozen, and there's also Talking Angela, and yeah, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles as well. There's Brawl Stars Craft keyboard as well. You can get all these themes here on this keyboard. Then if I go back, it will give categories. You can also get like Cinderella and Snow. Well, and these are the things you can choose from. This category in specific here, this one right here, is the category. Here, as you can see, shows like Cinderella, Joker. There's even Toy Story. There's more Spider-Man. I don't know what that is. There's Beauty and the Beast live action movie. And the next to it, I don't know what that is. And there's Suicide Squad. And well, there's quite a lot. There's even Naruto and Batman and Tom and Jerry, Donald Duck. From Harry Potter, there's Iron Man, there's Thor Ragnarok, and Harry Potter as well. And Captain America. Yeah, I think that's Digimon. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's another cool thing. You can get so many cool things here. Now if you go to emojis, you can download them. You can add emojis to your keyboard. I'm gonna just tap that and see. And now with look at these emojis. Oh, there are quite a few, I suppose. And, and these emojis kind of match the LC I'm role-playing right now. So I'll be using them a lot, actually. So that, and if I go to over here, this I can see my available emojis, I suppose. I think, yeah, I think that's the one. Oh wait, no, there's another cool feature. This, you can create your own emojis, which is completely insane, guys. Like you can choose any of these, like facials here, or you can choose this, like a heart thing. And as you can see, it appears. Then you can choose text like that. You can even customize your own text, but you don't have to. Then there's eyes like that. Then there's mustache like that. Like that. And then there's top hats. Even you can choose hats like that. Then there's eyebrows like that. Then there's nose if you want to, like that. Then there's hair, swag, like that. And then there's shades, like accessories, or just shades, like that. I mean, this looks ridiculously stupid. I just slapped it together, but you get the idea, right? Oh, it's saved. Crap. Okay, I'll use it. And if you go to settings, you can access all these settings here. They're like typing and, well, language and typing settings, where you can enable like these two, and you can disable stuff. You can enable number rows. You can also enable these directional arrows, and you can enable or disable the dictionary. And then there's also the fonts. You can, and by the way, if you tap on a theme, then open up your keyboard. This is my current keyboard, and that also is my LC Sky. And if you tap this gear icon there, where the bunny ears are at, and tap this note thing here, you'll access special settings here, the sound settings, and right here you can access variety of sounds. Now in this list here, or you can choose from these icons here. These are sounds, and these are also all free. Everything here is completely, for that matter. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly pop everything. Oops, my bad. You can have that as well, but there's more. You can create your own things here as well. Like I said before, you can leave it as it is by default like this, so you can choose any of these backgrounds, and there's also more of them down here, and even more down here, and even more here, and that's about it. And then you can also choose key styles, as you can see. Oops. Yeah, you can choose key styles like these, and then there's also font, and you can also color the font. The color you can choose like this with this slider, and you can also choose background slider if you want to. No, wait, with this slider you can choose the background. You can regulate the opacity of the keyboard. So yeah, you can just save it if you want to, like that. and then you can media. So yeah, so that, and there's also there's also a translator actually, but that I don't know how that works actually, because I think it doesn't work the way it should be. I tried once, but it's I don't understand how to use. Oh, and if let's say I exit from the keyboard quickly, well, okay, I quickly jump into the keyboard, then tap the gear icon here, and go to go to tap the gear icon here, and then go to this clipboard kind of thingy. There are two clipboards here, but I go to the one with the scissors. As you can see, you can access your clipboard, yeah, and just paste anything in any text box. And those pins here, if I tap on the pin, as you can see, it was unpinned. It's kind of right now. If I as you can see, it pasted in there. And if I tap on the pin again, it'll go straight and turn blue. That means it's pinned, and all these are pinned. So that, and the other clipboard here, there's nothing there actually right now, but that's also some sort of a clipboard. I don't know what that is though. And if you access the emojis here, you have quite a lot of options. Like this is the emojis, then there are these text emojis right here, then there are the downloaded ones and your own created ones. But there is more. If I tap on the gear icon, scroll down a little bit. Oh wait, if I tap on the emoji icon here and go to this wait a minute. There should be, and go to the emojis here and then tap this small gear icon. Look what happens. It gives you all these or emojis in any of these styles. Like these. See? This is very, very cool. And I love this keyboard actually. I highly recommend you guys to try and use it. It's amazing. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or night or whatever it is for you. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.